Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a voice typing on a Google Docs on your phone. So first thing to do, you can open your settings and you can access your keyboard settings. You can scroll down and tap on additional settings. Here you can try to tap keyboard and input method. As you can see, I'm using Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard as my default. If you still use a Google board or Gboard is no problem. You can go to the available keyboards, Gboard, you can tap it. Here you can tap voice typing and turn on the voice typing option. Next, if you use Microsoft SwiftKey, you can tap on Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard and you can tap on rich input and turn on or enable voice typing key. Next, you can open Google Docs. So in order to use voice typing, you can tap pencil icon to start writing or typing. And here, as you can see, there is a microphone icon. Just hold it. And here we go. As you can see, voice typing is work now. Let's delete. And here I'm using voice typing on a Google Docs. So the first thing to do, let's repeat again. You can go to your phone settings. You can scroll down and try to find additional setting or advanced settings or more settings to access keyboard and input method. So if you use Google Board by default, you can tap it and use the voice typing option and try to switch this on in order to enable voice typing. But if you use Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, you can tap it and try to search rich input. You can tap it again and turn on voice typing from here. So enable by turn on this switch, you can enable voice typing key. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.